Some people love content curation, but the main problem is, which niche do I pick? Okay, let me give you an instance with myself. I'm going to use myself as an example. Let me give you an instance. This is my channel you're watching from now. If you go through my video, you see that they are somehow they are somehow arranged. Okay, look, if you go to my videos now, from the third one to the last one, that was when I traveled to the village. I went to Ebonyi State, Nigeria. So there I recorded myself while swimming. I gave a documentary about my village experience. This is it. So I posted it on YouTube. And now I'm back from village. I'll sit down and I'll be like, what is that thing that I will do that people will love to watch? What is that thing that I will do that people will love to watch? And I sit down. That's why every day, as a normal human, you got to be meditating. Bring a particular topic about yourself. Meditate about your life. This is where you get inspirations about the ones you're not doing right, and the one you're going to do in the future. Try to meditate. So I will be like, what is that thing that I will put out here that people gonna relate to? What is that? Probably I'll come up with a topic. Maybe self-topic. Like, when I mean self-topic, I mean things that have gone, things that I've been through, something that I've experienced that people have not experienced, that some people have experienced too, but I guess you get what I'm saying. I will be like, oh, let me tell a story about this. Probably some people have experienced this and they would love to watch a recap about that. And they'll be like, oh, this guy is actually, I've actually had this kind of experience many years ago. Let me watch it. You get it. So from here now, you have gotten a fan. Or you'll be like, I don't know much about football, but I do watch football. I can give football analytics about how the FIFA World Cup went. Why not record a video about it? So I'm just giving an instance of inspiration. These are how you get inspirations, and tackle that inspiration. When I mean tackle, when I say tackle that, I mean you should hit your record button. Not hit your record button and record. Just hit the record button, man. Stop procrastinating, brother. Stop procrastinating. Sorry about that. I'm trying to take a thumbnail. No fancy editing. If you don't know how to edit the one you know how to do best. Upload it. Thumbnail. Why filming your content? You can pause and then take a shot. That's your thumbnail. Add some text or add some pictures, depending on the kind of video you made. That's a thumbnail. No need for want to edit like Mr. Beast. Let me tell you, Mr. Beast, I have tried to edit like Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast have apps and website that he pays very huge amount to edit that fancy thumbnails he uses for his videos. So just start with the one you have. Don't wait till you get money to make fancy thumbnail editing like Mr. Beast. You're wasting your time. There's no time. We don't put 5 years from now to your age. There's no time. We just put something. If you are retired, if you're a government worker, you are retired. Back to back. Upload. Tell us a story. Me, I would love to watch an old person speaking to me as I'm speaking now. That will make my heart. So you have all it takes to change your life, to change how you view things. It's left for you to hit the record button and record video. Why are you saying which niche do I pick? Yeah, you are as well procrastinating, prolonging everything. Start now. Don't pick a niche. Don't pick a niche. If it's cooking that you want, that you know how to do best, and that's what you love doing, post your cooking videos. Cook. Record yourself while cooking. Cook. If you don't know how to do all this fancy editing, do the one you know. Post it like that. If it is gym, you love bodybuilding, you're into bodybuilding, and you know how to do, post it. There are millions of people looking for gym videos. There are millions of people looking for cooking videos. So don't relax. Don't feel relaxed. That it is when you okay. Let me ask you a question. If you want to start travel and vlog, want to start traveling, do you have money to buy all the tickets to the places you want to go to? Fake life. You don't have a niche and you want to pick the one that you think that people will love. It is called fake life. You want to teach about YouTube, how YouTube works, like all the people that teach how to get 4,000 watch hours, this and that. You don't know how to do it, but you're doing it because people are doing it. Fake life. Do what you know how to do best, though. Do what you know how to do best. I'm telling you this. This is the real fact. I'm telling you. Do what you know how to do best. Your everyday lifestyle is your content. Create it, record yourself while doing it, and post it on YouTube. People will love it. Let me tell you, if you get fun from posting your daily life videos here on YouTube, and people are loving it, let me tell you, that's the best fan base you can ever get. Because when you I want to compare two things now. Just listen. I want to compare two things. You are teaching. There's a channel that is teaching how to get 4,000 watch time, and there is a channel that posts his or her daily life videos. This channel that teaches how to get 4,000 watch time has, let me say, 10,000 subscribers, while the ones that is teaching, that is posting his or her daily life style videos on YouTube has, like, let me say that they both have 10,000 subscribers. And you know that from the part of the one that teaches how to get 4,000 watch hour, that's not only the channel teaching how to get it. That channel has competitors, and tomorrow that your fan base that I think you have created, we maybe research how to get 4,000 watch hour, and there is another channel that teaches more better than you. That channel, you leave your channel slightly and move to the channel that he or she thinks that this is the best. Why the 10,000 subscribers you have built from your daily life videos, they cannot leave your channel for any reason. They love you and they love you. They love you and they love you. Okay, let me give you okay, wait. You want to start YouTube and you don't have any niche, I will pick a niche for you. You are the niche. You yourself, you are the niche. That's looking at me. You are the niche. Go to that niche button. That place, the pick niche. Pick entertainment. Pick entertainment, because naturally everybody is funny. Naturally everybody, even the saddest person is funny. Naturally everybody is funny. So pick entertainment. If you don't pick entertainment, pick lifestyle and vlog. These are the two niches you should pick before starting a YouTube channel if you don't have a niche in mind. Post your daily lifestyle videos. Post anything you want to post. Connect with people. Go live. Connect with people. Stop procrastinating that when I get an iPhone 12, when I get an iPhone 15, when I get an iPhone 16, then I will start content creation. You currently are watching me on I recorded this video with an Apple iPhone 7. Without a microphone, without a studio, only my small little ring light. That's what I'm using. So stop procrastinating. Say no to procrastination. The earlier you say no to procrastination, the better for you. The better for you. Sorry about that. I was taking pictures for my thumbnail. Sorry about that. Let's continue. So guys, I guess you're getting my point. You're getting what I'm saying, or am I just talking? So if you have watched to this extent, my brother, this is the most important. If you have watched to this extent, don't forget to drop a like on this video. Very, very essential. Drop a like on this video. Subscribe to our channel. Come and ask you a question. When do you realize that YouTube subscription is totally free of charge? When do you realize that? I realized that when I was 20 years old. That should be 2 years ago. Before I watch from people's channel, and I think that if I subscribe, they will charge me monthly or yearly. for me subscribing to people's channel. But as time goes on, I realize that it's totally free, that they don't charge anything. So what are you waiting for? I just tell you a little story that we all can relate to. What are you waiting for? Hit the subscription button. Thank you for subscribing. I love you. I love you. So, and also don't forget to drop your comments. I want you to drop in the comment section what is making you procrastinate. What I mean when I say what is making you procrastinate, what is that bridge? What is stopping you from creating videos and posting on YouTube? I've posted like 70 videos here on this particular channel. This is not the main channel I started with. I started YouTube 2020 is that 2020 or 2019 with the channel that I'm going to put in the description box. That's my first channel. That way I post my comedy videos, because I was into comedy. I was making comedy videos. But as time goes on, at times things change. Not that I don't have zeal for comedy anymore. I have 100% zeal for comedy, but due to some circumstances, I have to leave that channel for now and create this new one so I can post my daily normal contents. So the link to the channel is in the description box. That is it. I posted like 70 plus videos on this channel, gotten like 120 something subscribers. Like I've not even getting up to 100 watch time, but what, I don't give up. I'm still posting. From the story of I Show Speed, let me just tell you guys a short story before we end this video. From the story of I Show Speed, many of us know the popular I Show Speed on YouTube. I Show Speed said when he started live streaming that his mom don't love live stream. He don't love anything about, because he started live streaming with gaming, and his mom don't love gaming. So the mom said, either you stop gaming or you get out of my house. I Show Speed said, I have passion for gaming and I believe that my dream will come true. So I Show Speed, according to his story, he said he packed out of his mom's house. Are you seeing? Then Mr. Beast said that he became famous after uploading his 100 video. So he uploaded 1, 2, 3 till 100. That's when he became popular. So what am I trying to tell you? Don't let your current situation be a hindrance to you making video on YouTube. Let me tell you, it's not about posting video. Do you know that YouTube actually pays? When you get to 1,000 subscribers and get to 4,000 watch time, YouTube will pay you. We start paying you for every content you upload here on YouTube. So why there now? Why are you wasting your time? So bro, my brothers, my sisters, I guess at this very point you are convinced that you should start a YouTube channel and you should post great content on YouTube. So if you are watched to this extent, I believe that something will change about your perspective about YouTube. Start create. If it is Android phone you have, create content with Android phone. If it is iPhone you have, no matter the, create content with it. Upload it. One day you will reap the fruit of your labor. Proverbs chapter 14 verse 23 says, you can read that verse, look at it here. Proverbs chapter 14 verse 23. Bring your Bible now, read it. Even Bible said it. When you read that verse I just told you now, you're going to know what I'm saying. So this is it. Thank you for watching to this extent. I love you guys. Bye bye. One love.